If you like deviled eggs and you're looking for a fun way to present them, check out this pink deviled egg recipe. It's super fun and easy. You're gonna love it. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pink deviled eggs. It's not my own recipe. It's going viral on the internet, all the social media sites. Everyone's doing these cute pink deviled eggs. So I'm gonna do my own version of it, but I think you're gonna enjoy it. So make sure you stick around. We are going to prepare the liquid so that we can dye these beautiful eggs. You want to take a beet, cut up into cubes, and just lower it into the water. The water is going to begin to turn pinkish reddish. And let the water boil for about 10 minutes. Add some lemon juice to give it a little bit more of a vibrant color. While the water is already turning a beautiful red. Okay, so the beets and the lemon juice and the water have cooked together for about 20 minutes. Here's the beets. They're releasing their color. It looks really good. So I'm just gonna let this cool for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll get it prepped to use it as the dye for our pink deviled eggs. My eggs have been soaking in the beetroot dye for 30 minutes. Let's see how they're doing. Oh my gosh, that is a very nice, beautiful pink. Get them ready to cut so that we can start the filling for the deviled eggs. That was really, really fun. Not a long process at all. Pretty simple and actually quite fun. I love this beetroot juice. I actually didn't use all of it, so I saved some, and I'm trying to think of some other things I'm gonna use it for because it's fantastic. So if you're like me, then you're gonna wanna make this for Easter, for Mother's Day, for bridal shower, for baby shower, for just a brunch with your girlfriends, whatever. I mean, they're just the cutest thing ever. Okay, so here they are. I'm gonna let them kind of dry for a little while, and then we're gonna finish and make the deviled eggs. I can't wait. We've got the eggs dyed. They look amazing. So now we're just going to do the big reveal. Here it is. We're gonna cut them in half and just see what they look like inside, gently. And there you go. You got a little pink around the edges. Kind of cute, kind of cute. All right, just gonna cut them in half and get the yolks into this bowl so we can make the filling. Carefully remove each yolk from your little pink Easter egg. Look at that, isn't that the cutest? I don't know about you, but pink makes me so happy. What is it about pink that gives us so much joy? If you have any ideas, give me a comment, give me an idea. Why does pink make us all so happy? So now we're just gonna make a simple deviled egg filling. Really, this is whatever kind of filling you want. I'm just gonna mash down the egg yolks first. Nothing about this is gonna be mega low calorie. We're gonna have to focus on the benefits of the protein intake here. And then it's for entertaining. It's for a special occasion. I don't think you're doing deviled eggs for dinner. I mean, you could. One egg yolk, just know this for knowledge, is about 4 grams of fat. Here I have a half a cup of mayo. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. You can do sour cream. You can do plain yogurt. It's really whatever you want. This is what we have in the house. Now I'm just gonna add, I love celery. I'm gonna put celery in here. This is about a half a cup of finely diced celery. Think about it, when you're doing these, you wanna micro dice of whatever you're putting in there. Now I'm gonna add, I've micro diced some sweet pickles. I'm gonna just get this out because I don't. All right, so this is looking like a lot of little chunks of green in here. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some fresh cracked pepper. We'll also add some on the top. I'm just trying to get it in for flavor right now. So I'm just going to very carefully place the filling into the eggs, just like that. We will decorate them really fun and cute. And the thing about doing an egg appetizer like this, it is quite inexpensive, which is nice. Not very pricey for how cute this turns out, right? Okay, so I'm gonna fill all these up and then we're gonna decorate the tops. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of dill and then I'm gonna put a little bit of the red onion. Gives a little pop of pink, a little green with a little pink. So here you go, my pink deviled eggs. You must check out this recipe. Like, save, share, and remember, you are deeply loved by God.